Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the functions of brain lobes. This is very important and is going to be helpful for you in anatomy, physiology, neurology and pathology. So learn it today with me. There are 4 lobes in the brain: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe and temporal lobe. The frontal lobe is present directly behind the forehead, parietal lobe is present behind the frontal lobe, occipital lobe is present at the back of your skull, and temporal lobe is present behind the ears. There are 2 additional parts, that is cerebellum and brain stem. Cerebellum is present at the back of the brain immediately inferior to the occipital and temporal lobes and within the posterior cranial fossa. And brainstem is present at the base of the brain and at the top of the spinal cord, because this is the part that joins the brain to the spinal cord. Now talking about the functions, frontal lobe is responsible for movement, reasoning, personality and decision making. The parietal lobe is responsible for sensory perceptions. P is for parietal and P is for perceptions. And sensory perceptions are pressure, pain, touch and taste. Occipital lobe is responsible for vision and sight. So O is for occipital and O is for ocular, and the function of ocular is vision. So this lobe is responsible for vision and sight. Temporal lobe, because we know that temporal lobe is present just behind the ears and the function of ears is hearing. So the function of temporal lobe is hearing and memory as well. The function of brainstem is 3 B's. Always remember 3 B's for brainstem: breathing, blood pressure and body temperature. And the function of cerebellum is C is for coordination and B in the cerebellum is for balance. Now I will show you the mnemonic as well, so this becomes easy for you to remember. Okay, so for frontal lobe, move to the front, which means move is for movement, and the other functions are reasoning, personality, decision making. Parietal lobe, perception for parietal. So perceptions are sensory perceptions, which is pain, pressure, touch and taste. O is for ocular and O is for occipital. And ocular functions are vision, sight. Temporal lobe, we know that temporal lobe is present behind the ears, so it is responsible for hearing and memory as well. And the C in cerebellum is for coordination and B for balance. And for brainstem, we know that we need to remember just 3 B's, that is breathing, blood pressure and temperature. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. Thank you and keep watching my videos and share it with your friends as well.